we have a very peculiar input over here which uses Unicode symbols. We're gonna break it down, and for each of these companies listed, we're gonna come up with a scenario so that we can classify what is happening to all of our samples. Okay, so right now we just create a simple reader. We go ahead and we plug in the file that we have. If you're not able to see the icons, you need to go back to it, the setting from here, and you go to text, you click on file encoding, and you make it UTF-8 compliant. Okay, from here we put on a transformer because we don't want to get rid of anything. Okay, and we click on this. 3 buttons are created for us. We map record ID to record ID. We map brands to brands. Now the first thing that we want to do is get rid of all these symbols over here. We're gonna take replace via regex. Come over here, and in this we shall paste all the Unicode symbols that we have, which are over here. Okay, this is very sensitive to extra lines for some weird reason. Okay, so see, all these Unicode symbols are out. From here we require a calculation. This is something Team ETL does not ask. They say it's slow. I'm okay with slow. Okay, we come over here, we take Python. We do not want the second parameter, and this is what we're looking at. Let me just paste it over here. Okay, so we're gonna check for the string that we've received over here, 1 comma 1 comma whatever number over here. We're gonna break it into a string, and then we're gonna figure out a result. Okay, so let's come out over here and we come over here. Okay, so let's check. Yeah, perfect. So we are able to figure out just from the icons at what stage of operations we are at. Okay, okay, we do okay. Now we're gonna require a sorting field. Let's bring a sorter. This is required to do any pivoting over here. Very, very peculiar. Okay, so we come over to sorter, and we say we want to sort by what. So I want to sort by the brands. So all the brands go first, and then by the quote icons. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1, 2, and what the hell is just to record ID as well, and 3. Okay, so my sorting will take place here. Once this happens, I will plug this into a grouper, and it's gonna ask me what do I wish to do, and I shall say the first thing I want is the branding. Okay, and then the quote order 1. Okay, so this is going to be group by. Second, because all my numbers would be here, group by, and I will use record ID for simply doing a counting. Okay, okay, so far so good. Now comes the pivot file. We take it over inside, and we say, oof, the pivot, what do you want to pivot by? I'm always confused with this. So let's say my pivot key is going to be my quote icons. My brands will be here, and the pivoted value will be my symbols. This would be 1. I'll take 5 minutes. Quote. See how boring this is to type. Not a good time to have 7 keys. Okay, to make. Feel free to skip this. Oh, there is a upper limit here. I did not know this. Okay. I have to change this. Okay. So we will still just select all and copy it, because we might have to go back and make these changes in the script as well. Save this, we do our pivot over here, we do our transformation over here, and let's just see. Yes, perfect. And we put a writer over here. Okay, negotiations are not. Okay, we try and run this. Let's see what happens in a writer. Working, not bad. Whew. Now I'm going to try this with my final data and give it a shot. So as you can see, it's a little peculiar. I need to get better at creating the writers, but thank you very much.